Ever wondered why your phone screams airplane mode the second you board a flight? It's not just to kill your vibe, it's got a wild backstory. Back in the 90s, phones were radio signal beasts zipping between towers at 500 milliampere caused total network crash. Regulators panicked. They say, what if this signal jumped the plane's GPS or radar? Instantly, the FCC banned calls mid-flight in 1991. Phone makers fought back with airplane mode around 2007. One tap kills calls, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, safe flight, no interference. It's useless now. Airlines still enforce it, but airplane mode also saves your battery in the sky. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.